Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Wiby Autos. Today we have another icon, 1963 Ford Thunderbird Convertible. It's finished in rose beige with a matching interior and just beautiful. Sitting on wire wheels, wrapped in white wall tires, plenty of rubber, super straight, gorgeous body, tilt-away wheel, power windows, remote mirrors, AM radio. This car also has power steering, power brakes, factory air. Looks so nice too, especially with that Continental kit. These taillights look like there's fire breathing out of them. It's from the jet age. Everything resembled a jet back then. It's beautiful. This roadster top really makes it too. It's all painted to match. Gorgeous chrome and stainless all the way around. Under the hood, we got a 390. Like I said, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Beautifully fitted too. Gorgeous shape. A lot of high attention to detail on this car. Love the tower clamps and the FoMoCo hoses. Double hood latch too. Pretty. Front padding under the hood. Love how this chrome strip kind of comes down. Then it also acts as the door handle. Cool. Color's unique too. I've never seen this W code before. Power top too is a feat. All tucks nicely in the trunk. Sills are brand new. We brighten it up. I also added factory style rubber mats. This carpet underneath is so beautiful. Interior is original too. Original belts. This top comes off too. Reveals the seat underneath, which is also beautiful. No rips or tears or anything. It's a correct W code. See right there. The wind wings too. Which they still make cars with that. Chrome is glistening all over here. Love the day-night mirror too. The gaps, the lines, the fitment on this car, super nice. The gaps on this door, very nice too. Beautiful shape. And that steering wheel too, it's all leather wrapped and stitched. Top works perfect. Our windows work perfect. shut the doors. I'll fire it up for you real quick.
What?
Go ahead and fire it up. Love that swing out wheel. Very cool. Nice wheel, nice. Can't run it too long in here though. Got a great sound to it. Also a cold start too. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. And I took about 200 photos today. Check them out on our website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.